This is the super precision gyroscope that Rob Durham and others have used to fail to detect the rotation of the Earth. And I've got some things to say about this gyroscope. Most of them not so good, considering its cost. But I can tell you one thing. Down here, no bearings. In fact, that plastic I'm pretty sure is not Teflon. And the rest of the gimbals, again, no bearing surfaces. The only bearings are for the rotor. Now, the rotor's not bad, but you know what? There's a fundamental improvement that could be done with the rotor. And that would be not to cut out that big section in the middle. Had that been left in, the rotor would have more mass and therefore more energy, and more specifically and importantly, more angular momentum with which to work. At least the motor is a convenient way to spin it up. Gee, I didn't want that to happen. Oh well. That was unplanned.